Hi guys, hello Zithandwa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Kgao. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for always showing me the love. Today we are baking dukuku, some call them scones, some call them naskosana. So let's tune into the video, but before we do that, don't forget to like, to comment, to share and to subscribe. See you in a bit. Ingredients: this is milk, this is margarine, baking powder, vanilla essence, and in here it's flour, sugar and salt. Yes, let's get into the baking. we are eating. So yeah, it's like this is my first meal for today, and it's, what time is it, Vel? It's 4:07, and I'm eating this and I'm cooking. Yeah, let's taste now. I wonder what happened last year when I tried to bake scones, because yo, did you let it in your so like they were so horrible. But this year they're so nice, they're so soft. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. I love you guys a lot.